Burke, Nürburgring Biker blog. Facebook, yeah?
That's right, yeah, and YouTube.
Smash it on YouTube as well. Basically, how did you get into doing the Nürburgring Biker blog stuff?
Well, I've always been always ridden bikes since I was 17, so 25 years plus. And I moved here because I love the Nürburgring, and I had a bike, and I just thought, you know what, it was January 2016. I thought I'd start a blog, and I was going to the Elephant Rally in Bavaria, and that's sort of the first thing I did.
Right. Okay.
And it just went on from there.
Right.
You know, I got really passionate about it, and then I get a lot of people ask me questions about, you know, where to stay, and you know, when's the best time to come, and I found it really nice to help people. Yep. So I'm always open. You know, if everyone send me a message and say, you know, when should I come, and any questions, to be honest, and I get them all. You know, and it's just nice to help people out. Yeah. Sometimes I bump into them like you, and
Any tips for novices first time at the track?
Yeah, I mean, if you can come midweek, Tuesday to Thursday, that's the best time to come, because obviously it's €5 a lap cheaper.
Okay.
It can be much quieter, Sundays can be madness. Right. It can be crash after crash, and then they ban bikes and coolant spills. I mean, just come and watch a couple of videos just so you can get familiarised with the place. But the most important thing, I think, is don't treat it like a track day. And it doesn't matter if you haven't got any track experience. Yeah. Treat it as a fast road ride. You know, and all of the German road laws apply. So keep to the right. Yeah. Whenever you commit to a left apex, left corner, always look in that left mirror. Yeah. Make sure, because then some of the GT3s, Porsches and that, they come so quick. Yeah. And on the straights, the bikes are much quicker. Right. If you're on an R1 or something, you get out from the corner, and you'll accelerate even from GT3 RS. As soon as you get to a corner, a Renault Clio will be catching you up, and it'll be quicker for you, because they've got 4 contact
patches. Makes sense. Yeah. I know myself, I'm not the fastest rider by any means, and my first time out was tapping out, shaking out into corners and stuff, and obviously the bike's not a new bike, it's 19 years old. So I was very much right indicator on the front if you go around the track. You get about halfway around and you're going around corners at 40 mile an hour thinking, go faster on the road, what am I worried about?
Do you know what, a lot of people say the same.
It's just the whole, you're on a track and it's Nürburgring, it's got this sort of persona that you're going to die basically. And that's where it's sort of moved from.
Whereas in reality, not many people do die.
No.
You know, I mean, I think 3 years in a row, not a single biker died. Right. And then one died because of a heart attack.
Right, yeah.
You know, like literally, he was on a motorcycle track day doing about 5 or 6 a year. Right. It's not a proper track day, it's a guiding one. But yeah, he had a heart attack. You know, obviously had a good day and got stressed a little bit. Yeah.
You're doing the ring taxi.
Yeah, so I work for a ring taxi. I'm at race cars. So basically, we hire cars out. I just arrange, book in and book out.
Did you say you do a year?
So in 2017, 2018, I did around 450.
Okay.
So I did last year. I did 275 laps on the infantry. Wow. And various other bikes. I made up the 450. Like I've got a VFI 800 Solar, and someone lent me an R1 for a couple of months, and 45 laps on that.
VFR back now?
Yeah, VFR's finished now, so I've just got a tax and MOT. It's the M2's run out. It's a German too, it's the same. Yeah. Just got to sort that out and then get it back.
What's the worst injury you've had?
As a mate, I was on the way to Box Hill, Surrey, on the A25, and I was doing about 70 and a 60 on my ZX6R. I've had 3 ZX6Rs, so I really like that bike. And a guy got lost. He'd done a U-turn right in front of me. And I went straight through the door, into the door. I was lucky not to be killed, to be honest. I mean, if my head hadn't have gone through the window, you would have been gone. Yeah, it would have snapped my neck. And I didn't let go either. And so obviously I've got plates in my arms, and I broke both wrists. I had a rod in this wrist. So that put me out for 7 months. I was like this. 16 weeks. I had one from this one,
Right.
16 weeks. Broke in a cast, and this one was about 11. Yeah.
Jeez. Sort of spotted yourself last year. You were on Africa Twin, going around the carousel, and Alex was on the top section of it. He's sighting a lap, first time over here, and you undercut him on the inside.
Yeah.
And he sort of looked down, and he was like, I need to find out who that guy is. And that was it. That's how we found it.
It used to shock people quite a lot with the Africa Twin because, realistically, it's a 1000cc twin. It's got 95 brake horsepower, and it's got 400 brake horsepower. Power to weight ratio. So if I get out of the cones, I will leave an E46 M3.
Wow.
It's not until it gets to the corner, depending how quick he is, that it will start catching it up again. And that's why I did an 835 video on YouTube, because it has got a lot of power in it. And it handles well. Jeez. And for me, I'm a handlebar person. I'm not a clip-on. I've broke both my wrists and arms, and I just feel more comfortable mentally with handlebars.
Makes not had any serious accidents. A few days ago, we were coming through Belgium, and Gordy was in front of me. I looked to my right, there's a car coming up the inside. So I'm concentrating on it. Looked back, the light had turned to red, and he'd stopped right in front. And luckily, just managed to dip the bike enough that sort of clipped the indicator. That's it. Say this is the second time we've been out, and Alex wants to come back in.
So it'd be an annual trip for you guys now?
Yeah, I think so. We're trying to do it where we might base ourselves sort of here, but go different places.
And mix it up a little bit.
Down into Belgium, up through Luxembourg, so there's a couple of really nice roads in Luxembourg.
Luxembourg's beautiful.
It's brilliant.
Yeah.
And the roads are so clean.
Really clean.
Brilliant. Although the autobahn, wow.
Yeah.
My bike, I say, I maintain that bike myself. It's 19-year-old. So when you go on the autobahn, you see how flat it is and how smooth it's like, let's see what it can do. So,
it's weird though, isn't it? Because when you go on the autobahn, because I mean, it's right. The nearest one for me is about. It's like that sign over there. Says it's 48.
Right.
I bought a CBF 600 CBF 600 from there last year, and I come back from Trier, and I was literally flat out, 220 kilometres, 140 miles an hour. It would not go any faster. And I was like that at that speed. I was probably doing that for about 10 minutes.
Wow.
And that's the longest in my entire life. I've done that. And you're thinking, is this legal? But it is, totally. But you feel like, because you're British and we have a similar...
You should be doing it,
You feel like you're doing something wrong. You're going to get told off.
Yeah, and you get cars coming up behind you and you're sitting there going, this is all I've got, and you're still coming.
Flashing you.
Exactly.
Out the way. You said though, you're basing yourself here. There is a lot of other things to do. There's a lot of castles. I mean, there's the Burke, Burke, which is a beautiful castle. And it's got Cockham and Trier, and then there's Bad Münstereifel. That's a beautiful walled city. So there's a lot of castles and a lot of nice little ride outs you can have
things to do
from here.
Ring taxis operate from when to when? If somebody was interested to come in.
Well, ring taxis, it's every time all the time the Tourist and Farton is open for the public, tourist rides are open for the public, the taxi is running. And there's free guys, like a lot of bikers do the ring taxi because they've come on their bike, they've never done a lap in a car, and you get three guys together, and sometimes the offer's $199 for a lap in an BMW M5. And if you do that, it works out, is it less than €66 each? And when you think like today, the lap ticket's €30 anyway, and to pay €66 to get an experience in a BMW M5, 625 horsepower. It's a good fun thing to do with your mates. Like for rental, drive yourself with an instructor. You have 3RS, Turbo S, Audi R8, McLaren 540. The R8's a V10 plus, and then we've got 11 Caymans, 8 normal 3S's, and then we've got Volkswagen Golf GTIs, brand new ones, 7.5, and then then you've got a Suzuki Swift. So we go right from the bottom all the way up to the top. Like with all of the rental companies, it's normally you have to book 2 laps, minimum 2 laps, and it can start anywhere from sort of around about €169 for 2 laps.
Swift.
I think the Golf's probably a bit more, maybe $199 for 2 laps.
And then top line, if you're going...
Top line is so a GT3 RS and the R8 V10 Plus and Turbo S will be €399 for 1 lap with a coach in that car, and then second lap's 350. So normally some people, if they're wealthy, I suppose, they'll pay 750, €150 and do 2 laps. It's not cheap, but then
it's experience, isn't it? You know?
And then like a Turbo S is a £150,000 car.
Exactly.
Yeah. Nice to talk to you. And you.
I'm sure we'll see you again.
Yeah, hopefully. Yeah, definitely. Yeah.